Here's a close-up look of our brand new Excitech R300 4x8 CNC router. This machine comes fully loaded with the carousel rotary tool changer, a 12 horsepower HSD spindle, a independent HSD drill head, 6 pop-up pins, automatic tool touch-off, 4-zone vacuum table with large Becker vacuum pump included, as you can see in the back. This machine is available and in stock in our Northern California showroom. This machine comes fully equipped with an automatic lubrication system. You can see the oil reservoir here. You can turn this on manually, or it will be set to automatically turn on after every 40 hours of use. So this will oil the machine. If we come around here, we can look at where that's going to happen. You can see the big manifold up here where the wiring comes in at the Z-axis. We also have more oil lines right here and right here. And if you look at every spot there's a bearing car, we're going to see another oil line right here. One other feature I'll point out real quick that I really like on these machines is you can see the drill and tapped holes right here. Those match a spot right down there on the frame of the machine. What that's going to allow us to do is take the shipping brackets and attach the gantry directly to the frame of the machine on both sides, so that this machine does not move at all during transport. So it's great if you're relocating or if we're shipping to a customer for the first time. We don't have to worry about strapping this down and pulling on both sides and trying to keep this gantry from rolling during transport. It comes with shipping brackets. Just something very simple, but a neat idea that I love how they implemented on these machines. Makes moving and shipping a lot easier. Okay, and what we're going to look here at is the full control of the dust shroud. With the push of a button on screen, we have up, down. And the same goes for our pop-up pins. Again, we have 6 pop-up pins on this machine, and those are controlled with a push of a button. 6 pop-up pins on this machine. A couple other minor changes for the 2020 model. We've got a streamlined interface, so we've got fewer buttons up here. We've simply got the on and the off, and the USB input, and the nervous system. We eliminated the OSI control button and the PC on power button. So now we've integrated that in so the controller turns on and the PC turns on automatically with the main machine power, which makes sense since you'd never run the machine without the PC or the controller. So just eliminated 2 of those buttons, 2 less things to worry about, and that's one of the biggest changes on the controller. We've also made the handheld a little bit more compact, and it's got your dial, got your selection for the axes, and then your speed. That's for fine-tuning your setups. Here's one last look at the machine as we look from the rear. You can see that roller table. You could use that to bring material in from the rear. You can load from any side on this machine. And here's another last look at the front with our 6 pop-up pins. Large, heavy-duty, all-steel construction frame. Weighs around 4,500 pounds for the 4x8 model. Thanks for watching.